Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a cool slow motion video using a custom curve in CapCut. So first, you just need to add the clips into CapCut and then click on a clip and go straight to speed. Here, choose curve and select custom. Now edit the curve. So for the first bit in here, you can just leave it as it is, and then the second, move it to around here, and then the next one, put it down like this to make the clip slower, and add another bit here. Okay, make it like this. Okay, let's see the preview first. And after that, bring the next bit into here, like the first and second beat. Okay, add another bit in here and put it down. Make it like this one's right here. So add another bit and put it like this. Okay, I'm going to add bit again. So you can just repeat the steps for the next two bits. Okay, so I've already done customizing the curve, and you need to use this curve, so you need to add around 13 bits into your clips, and don't forget to make it a better quality, and just click on the check icon and wait for the slow motion process to finish in CapCut. Okay, so the slow motion will be done in seconds. Click on the check icon, and here is the final result for the slow-mo video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this speed curve will be useful to you, so don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.